Mai, and today is our last day, unfortunately. We've had an amazing time traveling all the way out to Doi Intanon, which is a 2.5-hour moped ride, to blasting around the city. It's been an amazing experience.
And we thought, what better way to kind of wrap up our last day than to try all of the weird snacks that we have accumulated from 7-Eleven and
Some street vendors.
So,
The 7-Eleven here is kind of an amazing little store. You can pay your bills there, you can get all of your groceries there, and along with the groceries, they have what we would consider odd snacks. So what we thought we would do is grab a few handfuls of snacks and do a taste test and give our opinions to you guys. But first of all, Thai tea. This has been a staple for us all week. We drink at least 2 of these a day. I'm not sure exactly how they make them. Obviously there's Thai tea in here. I think there is coconut milk, and the best part is condensed milk.
we always went to this little place called Caliente Coffee, which is right down the street from where you're staying. So if you're ever in Chiang Mai, you might give them a try. It's a real simple corner coffee shop, but clearly they're very good. So, alright, well, let's get started with some of these snacks. So I'm just taking off the top here. So first we have a chip. It's a chip, which there are tons of options here. And I'm not quite sure what flavor it is, but all I know is that it has this like fish on it. I'm not sure if that's a focus or not, but it looks like
It looks like the fish that you find at the street stalls here. Yeah. They will grill them up whole. They slice them down the side. They put lemon and whatnot on them, seasonings, and it looks like that. So they're fish flavored chips,
which you know I'm gonna love.
But, woo! What does it smell like?
Fish and chips.
It smells fishy.
Yeah, you go first. And then warn me. Like if it's super fishy.
First impressions, it's very salty. It tastes like the chips have been soaked in the fish sauce that you get back home, like with your vermicelli noodle bowls. But it's not real strong.
It's not.
They're actually very good.
I'm not a big seafood person. Maybe I should have said that. So I was a little nervous about these, but honestly, like they don't taste fishy at all.
And there's a hint of seasoning or some kind of spice. So it's not hot, but something's there. Those are actually really good.
Those are really good. Okay.
Alright, the second thing are Paco sticks, or Pocky sticks. You can get these in America, usually on your international aisle. I'm not really sure, I've never bought them. There's some, just like kind of like a chocolate dip pretzel, I would think. And these ones are chocolate covered, or chocolate flavored banana flavored chocolate.
That.
Yeah, that.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow. Those are strong of banana.
That banana flavor reminds me of something, and I can't think of it. Like
banana cream?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, like the banana cream pie that you can get?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, banana cream pie on a type of pretzel. Oh, wow, those are so good.
Ooh. Those are dangerous.
So let's wash it down with a cup of diabetes.
Yeah. Okay.
What's next?
Alright. Alright, so next. So we were in there with a girl whose family is from Thailand. She's raised in America, but they were here staying with her family, and we were just telling them that we were going to do a video like this, and she said, oh, you've got to go to 7-Eleven, and you've got to get these little rice snacks that kind of look like that round ice, you know, the hollowed out ice that you can get. So we did, and they're milk flavored corn snacks, and they look like this. She said they're like her absolute favorite, so we decided we would get them and try it out, because I mean, she is local, so.
Oh, nice.
What was
There's
that?
lots of pigeons in this area because we're very close to the old gate, and we were just inches from being pooped on.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
No way. Are you serious?
Okay, so back to the taste test. Oh.
It like dissolves in your mouth. It's like a sweet Cheeto. Not cheese.
No, no cheese.
It's like cereal. It's like cereal taste. Like, you know, okay, this is what it is. You know at the end of a bowl of like cereal and you drink the milk?
Yeah, but what cereal is that? It's so familiar. Oh, Captain Crunch. That tastes like the milk that you drink after a bowl of Captain Crunch. Oh my god, these are so good.
Whoa. Can we go buy all of them?
Who would have thought corn snacks would be so good?
And they're the 7-Eleven brand too. We saw that they had chocolate flavored ones also. What she suggested. So, man, okay, we should get this. Alright, moving on. Oh god. This one makes me nervous. It is a bun filled with durian custard.
For those of you that don't know, durian is, I guess, like a native fruit here. It's really big, it's green, it's got spikes on it. You've probably seen pictures of it. It's also banned in a lot of places, subways, restaurants, public places, because it smells so bad.
Real sticky.
And it means smell bad as in like, it smells like trash.
Feet.
Sweaty, dirty feet.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh god. This is not gonna be good.
It smells like a bun's been sitting in the trash for a couple days.
Oh.
That's really good, actually.
Really?
It's extremely sweet.
Really?
The bread is
about to go in for another bite.
The bread is really soft. The bread is like Hawaiian bread. If you've ever had Hawaiian rolls,
I really love it, but I hate durian. So, yeah, but that bread's like. Alright. Okay. Alright, the next thing is...
that durian, like you can barely taste it. We've had other candies that were stronger. This one was mild, but...
We got some seaweed. So, and I know it's typical, you can get it in the US. I've just never had it, so I was curious. We figured might as well put it on there because they have every flavor of seaweed that you can even remotely imagine. You go to a grocery store and it's like an entire aisle. It's dedicated to this.
They have a company here called Big Sheet, and they literally come in sheets of seaweed like this. I've had these before. They're very light. They're salted. Sometimes you can get wasabi on them. I mean, it's like a piece of paper.
Oh, those are spicy. Well, we did get the spicy one.
This has got a fishy flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, you can have it. If it didn't have the fishy flavor, I'd be all over it. Not bad.
Not much of a snack, but they're still good.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, we have Kit Kat in the US, right?
Yeah.
But do we have green tea Kit Kat?
Green tea Kit Kats. They also have strawberry Kit Kats here.
Kit Kat drinks.
They have Kit Kat in a can. I'm not real sure what that was about. And then they have pink Kit Kats, which I can't remember what flavor that was. But you can't go wrong with green tea Kit Kats.
You might as well just say that they love their Kit Kat. Okay.
Oh wow.
No, it doesn't have to Kentucky. Chew on it. It's real light.
It's very light.
It tastes like white chocolate, essentially, just with a real slight, subtle, like green tea flavor to it. So,
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, not bad. Green tea Kit Kat. Alright. So, we wanted to try some fruit, and the same girl that was here in our cooking class, we were talking about snacks, suggested this fruit called
Shampoo.
That's right. We were like, oh, we can remember that shampoo. But it's essentially,
It's almost like a Thai apple.
but with watermelon, they said it's like
Oh. There's no smell. They look almost like, yeah, I don't know.
Go for it.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
It's definitely got a watermelon
Wow.
texture to it.
Oh, it's watery.
Super juicy.
It's
It's
mild.
it's mild. It's a little tart.
Mm-hmm. Good.
It's a cross between watermelon and a very light apple.
Yeah.
In the texture we're talking
Yeah.
about. Not the flavor.
That's good. Like it?
It's good.
That front right there. Okay. Alright. What's next? Oh. Okay. So I'm a huge fan of tamarind. And they use a lot of it in their cooking here in Thailand. They also use a lot of tamarind in Mexico, things like that. So when I saw a chewy original spicy tamarind candy, I wanted to try it. So. Oh.
Has seeds in it.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Whoa. Okay, so imagine eating tamarind
Ooh.
paste coated in sugar.
With a little kick.
Yeah,
Oh, that's really good.
those are real good.
Oh. It has
If
the
you have-
consistency of a raisin.
Yeah, if you haven't had tamarind, you can get them back home in specialty shops like Central Market. If you have any kind of like Mexican meat markets or grocery stores, I know they carry a lot of tamarind, and also some Asian markets.
Alright.
That last?
We have this drink too.
All right.
I'll let you do that.
So this thing we saw the other morning while we were at the 2018 Chiang Mai Flower Festival, and we were very curious and tried to get somebody to explain us what it is and how to eat it in English was very difficult. So, still don't really know what it is, but you do peel it back like a banana. I think this is some kind of like bamboo shoot. Oh. So that's just like a little topper to keep in the sticky rice that's in there.
No, I don't think so. I think that you're supposed to. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you.
Oh, okay, you do. Like.
It's got a very, like, earthy coconut, coconut milk. Like the rice has been soaked in coconut milk.
Oh yeah. Real slightly sweet.
It's slightly sweet.
What's on the back?
There's stuff falling out too.
Okay. I just making sure.
It's very sweet. It's very moist.
That's pretty good.
It's really good.
That's really good. That's pretty too, right? Okay, so the last things that we got are from 7-Eleven again. And they just have all these super strange drinks.
So,
yeah.
apparently, I need collagen in my life, and maybe some, I don't know.
It's just some
Mansum. I know you can't see it because we don't have autofocus, but that says collagen.
He got some Mansum drink for a man, and I got a beauty drink, BEAUTI.
What's that got in it? Oh, that has collagen too.
Oh, 2,000 milligrams. Snow mushroom extract, vitamin C and D, and it's low calorie.
8-11 กุมภาพันธ์นี้
Nice.
Home Pro และ The Power เอาใจนักช็อปจัดงาน Home Electric Super Sale 4 วันเท่านั้น กับหลักเครื่องใช้ไฟฟ้าโปรแรงทุกสาขา ลดบวกรับสูงสุด 35%
Oh, it's for a fridge.
Okay, so get some Mansum in your life.
What's it like?
It tastes like apple juice.
Does it really? So does mine.
Yours tastes like bitter apple juice.
They literally kind of taste the exact same.
Wow,
weird. Okay, well, beauty drink Mansum.
I'll stick with Thai tea.
Yeah, me too. So, alright, well that kind of like wraps up everything. Hope this was informative, kind of fun. Let us be your kind of guinea pigs. We didn't eat anything too weird, but you know, just some interesting snacks from different places around Chiang Mai.